Uh, Welcome to our channel. Any particular videos, if you are make the video or after making the video, how we can upload your Facebook business page using WhatsApp number? Why we can using WhatsApp number? So people watching our video, if anyone interested to join your classes or your business or anyone looking for your services, they can easily contact to your WhatsApp number. So that is called, we are selecting one of the option name is called iamfit.in is a gym. If anyone looking for gym classes and trainings, martial arts trainings, you can contact easily in the particular website. So those website I can upload by video will be here. First of all, that video will be selected here. After video selection, before video selected, we have to do one task is there. The task is called go to settings. In this Facebook business page settings, we have option name is called link account with your WhatsApp number. This compulsory activation is the mandatory field on your particular option. So what are the options you have? We can use will be here. After this one, I'll go to home page. Here, what are the content you're sharing from image or video? Select from here, upload it, add this one. We can, what are the image you can add here is that those content you can add will be here. That is a master training or what are the training you can copy. So click in this. Done. Simple after done with major video. You can add simple is the two buttons. Gets WhatsApp message and get call. Simple click for get WhatsApp message and click for post it. What will happening? Just in fraction of seconds, the video will be published. Anybody interested to join these classes, they can click for WhatsApp number and they will join your particular classes itself. So that is you can easily contact customers on your particular business and using for this option. So anyone looking for classes for martial arts, anything you can contact will be here. What are the classes you're providing? Everything will be here is the particular options. So they will providing for weight loss management, muscle building, personal training, anything you can contact will be here. So if any further question on your particular uploading any options on this video, WhatsApp issues, please contact our channel. I definitely will be supportive. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe.